All right, guys, we are here at the skate park with brand new skater.
Chloe.
You're not a brand new skater. You've been skating for a long time.
Yeah.
There is a brand new skate park. And you know what I thought would be a great idea? How to skateboard for beginners, skate park edition. So basically, we're just gonna start as though you've never skated before. It has been a while.
Yeah, it really has.
I think what we're gonna do is just get down the basics. So put your board down. And I'm gonna take you through everything, and the goal of this video is that we ride around some of these obstacles. At the very least, like ride up and down over that, maybe some of these banks. Yeah, we roll around.
Okay.
And it's gonna be fun, right?
Yeah.
Remember, the goal of skateboarding is fun, not to injure yourself, which is why she has a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, and you're ready to go.
Yeah.
You know where we start out? With a little bit of stretching.
Okay.
Because you know what? It's good for you. And no leg kicks. We're not gonna do too much.
I can barely move my body with these pads.
See, the pads definitely restrict your movement, but when you fall, they definitely help a lot. Okay, normally if we were doing this, I'd do more stretching, but the people don't wanna see us stretching. They wanna see us skating. So front foot forward, give it a push, step on. Push and step on. Boom! Woo! Perfect. Yeah. Now remember, what is the key that I always tell you? The main number one thing I'm always telling you to do.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it'll come to you.
Get really comfortable riding your board around.
Bend your knees.
Oh.
That was good. That was
Okay.
close. But remember to bend your knees.
Yeah.
Because when you're really low to the ground, your center of gravity is better, and if you fall, you're basically just sitting down. Okay, so let's push around the park. Follow me. First try. Okay, now give it another push. Good, good. Now your upper body, send it in the direction you're going. Good. Bend your knees, keep your knees bent. Good. Why do I feel like it's looking a little terrifying?
Because I'm terrified.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, it's good.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, that's why you need a little bit of stretching, a little bit of warm up.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you something that's gonna help you out a lot.
Yeah.
So your front foot is kind of like off the board like that.
Okay.
Try and get it, like I know you're starting out pushing like that, but try and keep your foot more centered.
Okay.
You don't have to be on the balls of your feet.
Balls of your feet is for tricks?
Yes, you
Okay.
do tricks on the balls of your feet, but
That's not what I'm doing.
it's not what you're doing?
Okay.
Not yet? I can't wait to see if we can roll up and down this.
I can.
Skate park edition, skate or die. Another thing for all you people watching this video, learn to skate on the flat ground, absolute flat ground. You always want to start there. It's the easiest thing. Do not start by dropping in, please. I don't know how many people go to the skate park and they go, well, I'm just gonna drop in. And they fall and they never skate again. Oh, you're shredding. You're absolutely shredding. It's good, right?
I can do that.
You got that?
Yeah.
You remember this guy?
Yeah.
The little kick turns, just
Yeah.
the little ones? Give us a couple little kick turns. Of course, the park is dead empty, and the second she stepped on a skateboard, all these people are now here. Yeah. Good. The thing that we can do to improve on that is you're turning your legs first, and then your body. Do your upper body first, head and shoulders first, then the legs.
Head and shoulders.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Head and shoulders first, then the legs.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah. Give it a turn. Yeah, see, that was the exact thing. Because your legs turned,
Yeah.
and you lost your balance because you're like that. Now your upper body's twisted.
I get it. I don't want to kill anyone.
Why are you walking and not riding? Super shredder, just like in the Ninja Turtles. Give the kick turn. Ah, you're doing great. You're doing great. Kick turn. Good. Good. Woo! That was good. The next one is the other direction. I love how we said skate park edition, and then they only skate flat. We're getting there. I promise you, we are getting there. Go, go. Yeah, that was good. That was really good.
Okay.
Have you ever, wait, I can't remember. Did we do this in an earlier video on a bank?
Oh yeah, I almost died.
Oh, one more step actually. Have you done the turn, like where you lean, like in this direction, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, do that just as a warm up. Okay, that was good. So I can tell you right away from watching her do that, that is the thing that she needs to spend more time on. Might need to loosen the trucks a little bit because when we're going like up and down the transition, her like ability to shift her weight back and forth is lacking, right?
Thanks a lot.
I'm just trying to help here.
No, I know, you're completely right.
But like if we were to go up this transition just a little bit,
Yeah.
it's gonna throw you off and you're gonna have to be able to shift your weight. Yeah, let's give it a push.
Okay.
And let's just give it the slightest, ever so slightest roll up, and then lean forward toward your toes, and roll down. Yeah, lean, lean, lean. That was so good. You shredded it like the white waves of elderberry.
I didn't even touch the bank.
I know. You literally were like, okay, I got it. I got it. Wow. Okay, do it again. And this time try and ride up the bank. Yeah, you got it. You got it. What are you?
I crossed the line.
Okay, wow. Is it scary?
Yeah.
This is what I love about these videos. Like if I was just teaching nobody and I was just saying, this is what you do at a skate park, I'd be like, yeah, just roll up. It's totally fine. Bend and turn. But we have a real live beginner. It's a whole different world. Is it fear factor?
It is. Like I look at you do it and I go, oh, I could do that. And then as soon as I start, no.
Leave it in the comments below if you wrote a comment already. Oh, I could do that, this is too easy. You got this. We want as a goal right here, just all wheels into that part.
All wheels.
Bend your knees, give it the slightest turn.
Do we know where the nearest hospital is?
Yeah, we do. We Googled it. It's 45 years away. Okay, okay.
Why does it look so easy?
Because it is. You were literally on there perfect. Like everything was perfect. Here, let me reenact what just happened. You got it.
Okay.
No, you're doing great. Completely nailing it. Yeah. Bend. That's good. Oh! First try. Okay, that was epic. You feel confident now?
Absolutely.
Yeah? I think we should ride down a bank.
Maybe a little one.
But the problem with the little one is it's really steep. I think we go to one that's a little less little, but a little less steep. Does that make sense?
Absolutely not.
In this video, our goal is to ride over that.
It looks so fun.
It is so fun. It's actually so fun.
Good, I got it.
You got to believe in yourself. When you wake up in the morning, you got to think, I'm gonna do this, whatever it is in that day, you're gonna do it. When you wake up, tell yourself, I'm going to nail this today, right?
Yes.
I'm thinking this bank here.
What? You are crazy.
Maybe you don't got that. Do you?
No.
Why? I mean, it's the mellowest bank here. Okay, you bend your knees down like this, you roll in. But then there, you're gonna have to jump off and that might be kind of sketchy for you.
I'm gonna watch. I will either make it down and go face plant into that right there.
I'll tell you what, I'll catch you here.
Okay.
Just bend your knees a lot. Right up more to it, Chloe. You wanna have your upper body going in the direction you're going. So make sure it's like that, especially on this because it's slanted. But start at the very back and push up to it. Here, I'll hold your hands first.
Okay.
Ready? Lean forward.
I'm
You got like the Herculean grip of the gods. Is that scary?
Yeah.
You're like, ah! Do you think you got that?
I think I could eventually.
Okay, give it a run. See, the key is you got to be leaning forward enough and bending your knees a lot. But Chloe, what will help you a lot? I forgot we used to call you Chol. You start from here and give it a push. Then you're ready, your knees are bent, your shoulders are forward, then you go.
It looks so easy.
It is so easy. You got it. You got to believe in yourself. Ready? Bend your knees. Bend your knees.
Nope.
You got it. Okay, you ride up and grab my hands and I'll carry you down.
Okay.
Good. You got it, right? Leave it in the comments below if she has it.
What's the worst that could happen?
The worst that can happen is you fall down and you have elbow pads, knee pads, head pads, shoulder pads, everything pads, and you're fine.
Okay.
Get a push, bend your knees. Bend your knees.
Nope.
You have it! You don't want to ride into this with a ton of speed, but a little bit more. Because you'll go and this right there, that might throw you off.
Yeah.
So ideally, like both sets of wheels cross and then your weight is forward. If you go in too much like motion right here, that could throw off your balance. You got it. Oh, first try.
Okay. That was so scary.
Was it?
Yeah.
Still?
No, well, yeah, still, yeah.
You got it, you nailed it. That was good.
That was fun,
That was well done. Wow, what's next? Now you're just conquering the world. Okay, let's skate over to the double hump, the camel. Yeah, how you feeling that?
Better.
It's easy money, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
maybe
that's
not
good.
easy money,
But imagine if you did that every day. You would start to feel so comfortable.
that's true.
This is pretty tricky.
Yeah, it does look really fun, but
The secret is you like bend and then extend your knees. So you're like, you go up, you're like bend, extend, extend. Your upper body don't have to move so much, it's your legs. Or you could just bend the whole way and just let it go. You want me to hold your hands while you ride over one?
yeah.
Tricky. I love this because you learn the transition basics. When you first go, it's gonna have to be lean back, then forward, then back, then forward.
Yeah. I mean, in theory, I get it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And in practice, you do not.
In practice, I can't.
Whoa! Okay, on 1 to 10, how scary was that?
Like an 8.
Really?
Yeah.
I just need to know, like, what exactly do you think?
Because on the way up, I feel like I'm gonna fall back.
Yeah.
On the way down, I feel like I'm gonna fall forward, and then again.
Okay, makes sense. Because truthfully, that is the truth. So when you go
what I'm
up,
doing.
you are gonna fall back. When you go forward, you're actually probably very unlikely to fall forward, actually. This is why the knees are so important. Does that make
I
sense?
literally feel like I'm,
Surfing?
yeah, like
A
I'm
wave?
like super low, but maybe I'm not.
No, I mean you are.
Yeah.
I just want to point out that, like I always say, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
comfortable riding a skateboard. Even before you get into this, I would even be more comfortable. But you know,
Yeah.
we're just throwing you right in the gauntlet. Okay, I think that was good. I think it's the same thing as before. You know what I just realized though?
What?
We didn't do on the bank, we didn't do 2 to make it true.
2 to make it
The
true.
people are going to never let me live this day down. I'm sorry, Braille Army. Let's run it, Chloe.
Okay.
Ready? Bend your knees. You got it. Bend your knees. Okay.
I'm sorry for yelling.
The one thing not to do is step off in the middle with one foot. Just don't.
Okay.
Just never do that, because that is catastrophe.
Okay.
How's that feel now?
That's better. I mean,
Okay.
it is fun, but the speed is the scariest part now.
Yeah, now what we would do is we'd cut it back. So that's scary, the speed is scary there, so do more speed on flat.
Oh, good idea.
Good idea. I just want it to be known, what she just told me over there, she said, I cannot do this today. And then she did twice more rolling over, and then she said, it's fun. 2 times. Leave it in the comments below if skateboarding is fun. And you want to go as fast as you think you need to go to make it over that, because we're practicing the speed right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this is too easy. She's fully got it. Maybe we should have her do this. Ooh. Maybe this is easier, Chloe?
Well, that's just a little sharp.
It's true, it actually is a little sharp. But just to ride up and across and down.
Did you see that? I just
Whoa,
did it.
wait. No way. First try? No lessons needed. This is the ultimate of beginner skateboard lesson at the skate park. I mean, if you came to the skate park and it's your first day and you're rolling around and you ride down a bank and you roll on this, you should feel extremely accomplished. Actually, you should spend your first many, many days on just these steps. I think you got it alone, but I'll leave it up to you. Give it a push, bend your knees. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Make as many yelling noises as you need. Bend, bend. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Oh,
Remember the one rule I said don't step off? You'd
I
stepped
know.
off.
I can't help it.
I know. It's a mental barrier. Bend your knees.
Ah,
Okay,
Not
now we
fast
just need a
enough.
bit more speed.
yeah.
The other thing, this is kind of hard to explain, but if your weight is really forward and you hit the transition, it'll stop you.
Okay.
If your weight is back and you roll up, it will roll over. Tell you the difference. Back, see that?
Oh.
But now you need to shift.
Okay, I was doing that wrong.
Now let's do it right.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
That was good.
almost.
Honestly, if you take a little bit more speed, you got it.
Yeah.
Sometimes skateboarding is easier going faster. I'm gonna lean back and then forward, back, and then forward. Okay, good. Bend your knees. Yeah? Yeah? Oh.
Whoa!
So close.
Good, good, good. Whoa! You see what's happening there?
Because I'm not doing the leaning thing.
Yeah. So you go down, and then when you hit that one, you're leaning too far back.
Yeah.
So be careful of that. Keep your knees bent, stay low. I think honestly what you need to do is bend your knees more.
Okay.
You can take the transition with your legs bending. My front leg will like bend up. It's almost like my upper body's on a swivel and just my legs are bending.
Oh, I get it.
You see that?
Yeah,
Why don't you try that? Run it, Chloe, run it. Yeah, bend your knees, bend your knees. You're good, you're good. Oh, why'd you step off?
I think that counts, right?
No, you stepped off. You gotta ride out.
That completely counts. I didn't step off until this line.
You did? Phenomenal. Now do it without stepping off. You got it. You got it, you got it. Welcome to the skate park. It's relentless out here. Bend your knees, bend your knees. Oh yeah.
Oh,
yes.
Not enough speed at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you do this without falling once, I'm gonna be really impressed. That was good, you caught yourself. You jumped off, you caught yourself.
Yeah. I feel bad getting in the way of all these advanced skaters.
That is a thing that probably many beginner skateboarders go through, and probably a reason why they don't go to the skate park.
Yeah, I could understand.
Yeah. If you go early in the morning, you're usually alone.
Okay.
Which we saw earlier.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, I'm gonna go, and then you follow.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Speed, bend your knees, bend the knees. Take the transition with your legs. Bend your knees, bend your knees. You got it, you got it, you're good. Ride it out! Ooh! Well done.
Yes.
Good job.
I did not think I would be able to do that.
It's funny though, because sometimes you need somebody, I think, to just push you over it.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you go to the skate park alone, you have to push yourself, and you might be like, oh, there's no way I'm trying that. Like she said, where's the nearest hospital? When she was literally just like riding up and down this little thing. And then look at how far you progressed today.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah, I'm proud.
So I want to know the mental struggle that you went through there and what you learned by bending your knees.
Well, it's just terrifying. I don't know what to say. It's just scary just trying something new, but then as you gradiently get better and better and a little more comfortable, then it gets less intimidating and you're willing to just throw yourself into it.
So when you go to the skate park, we're gonna just recap everything.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna start out with a little kinetic stretching. Move your arms, you can move your head, move your legs, and then skate to warm up.
Mm-hmm.
You don't wanna start out with static stretching like this, but now at the end of the session, now we're done, then do a little stretching.
Okay.
And there's many different kind of stretches that you can do. I'm not a stretching expert. I won't cover them all here, but I just want you to understand, you start out with a little kinetic stretching and then warm up with just pushing around and then do all of the most basic things that you can do. And if you did that every day, you would just get a little better and a little better and a little better. And then every time you go to the skate park, challenge yourself. Even if it's just the slightest little thing that you're like, I never did that before. Always challenge yourself and always end on an improvement. Mm-hmm. Like never go like, oh, I went to the skate park. If you like fell and got injured, go to the doctor. But if you're doing this correctly, you shouldn't get injured because you're doing it on the right steps. That's like the main thing I want people to understand. Never just go straight to that and try and drop in. Never go straight to that and try and drop in. There you will get injured. If you build yourself up to it, you will be totally fine. You'll be totally safe. Wear your helmet. And there you go. Mm-hmm. So give them some words of advice from a brand new skater. You heard it here first. She's riveted with excitement.
Okay, just work yourself up to it. Build yourself from the very, very, very bottom, from the very basic tricks before you try something difficult. Kind of literally what Aaron just said.
You guys got it. Get out there and learn how to ride a skateboard. And shout out to all of the people in their 30s, 40s getting back on a skateboard. I love you guys. You're absolutely shredding. You're killing it. If you want personal instruction from me specifically, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. I got you on there. Let's run it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.